Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain exactly who is eligible for a Tabby card and the requirements you need to meet. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Tabby requires users to be legal adults to enter into financial agreements. Next, you need to be a resident of the United Arab Emirates or Saudi Arabia, as Tabby currently operates in these markets. Then, you must have a valid Emirates ID, for UAE, or National ID/Iqama, for Saudi Arabia, for identity verification. After that, you need a UAE or Saudi mobile number for account verification and communications. You'll also need a valid debit or credit card to link to your Tabby account for automatic installment payments. Finally, Tabby conducts a soft credit check during registration to assess your creditworthiness. Having a clean financial history improves your chances of approval. If you meet these criteria, you're likely eligible for a Tabby card. The application process takes just minutes in the app. If this eligibility information was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.